Hey guys, this is Daron with Beverly Hills Chairs, and today I'm going to show you how to install a back onto your chair. So pretty much with any standard Herman Miller Aeron chair that you would receive from us, once you pull it out of the box, you of course would happen to have your base as well as your back, which I'm going to apply to the back of the chair now, base of the chair, excuse me, as well as you should have received 4 tightening screws as well as a 6-point hex key. So what you want to do to fasten the back is just go ahead, take your 4 screws and put them into these holes with the back of the chair. Here, I'm going to quickly fasten this. And then you'll want to take your hex key, I'm going to use my heavy duty one today, and go ahead and tighten that until you can't anymore. And one more. And there you go.